Right, big shout out to Mark for this deal at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group. We got a killer deal on this Milwaukee M12 coreless 3/8 lithium ratchet. This is $99. The regular price $179, which this is an older version of this, so it's not gonna be the $179, but still pretty good. It is the kit, so it does come with battery and charger. All right, so you guys go down here to the free gift with purchase, and you're gonna select the select button, and then you're gonna add to the cart. I already have it in the cart. And you're gonna be able to select this promotional shockwave impact duty 3/8 drive 19-piece millimeter Packout set. So yes, guys, this is a killer deal for this socket set because it. Oh, and I gotta get up. So for the socket set, guys, definitely check it out. It's a really good deal. I already have two in order there, but I'm not gonna order them because I already got plenty of ratchets. But yeah, if you need it, get it. It's a really good deal. Big shout out to Mark at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group. And don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And I'll leave you guys the link down below on the description section of this video. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.